Hello, welcome again to another video of Tech Innovation. Do you know a super program is coming in the future, and it can even cross Google or what any search engine can do? We're talking about OpenAI's ChatGPT. You can just ask this bot whatever you want to know. It could be about your personal affairs or daily life problems. We will discuss everything in this video, so stay tuned. You may be wondering what ChatGPT can do, but believe me, it's just above the human who knows everything. If the company develops it efficiently, it could bring revolutionary changes in the internet world. ChatGPT is a text bot with artificial intelligence and can help by performing an extensive range of tasks for you. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-driven program that responds to user prompts. This chat box can compose Shakespearean poetry, tells jokes, and even can write computer code or fix any issues. This chatbot was made available for public testing last month, drew more than 1 million people in its first week, and has reignited interest in the quest to imitate human insights, all the while stoking controversy over potential bias and free speech limits. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It uses artificial intelligence to select words based on what it learned from billions of pieces of online content. Machine learning algorithms are trained to understand the statistical probability of a given sentence by analyzing text across the internet. They can then string together words in response to a prompt. ChatGPT is a model that interacts like a conversation. The interactivity ensures ChatGPT has the capability to answer follow-up questions, admit when it has made mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. It is the sibling of the Instruct GPT model, which follows instructions and provides detailed responses. A few weeks ago, artificial intelligence company OpenAI released ChatGPT, a powerful new chatbot that can communicate in plain English. Compared to previous versions of the GPT system, this model has crossed a threshold. It produces higher quality outputs for many different tasks. Previous generations of GPT could technically do these things, but the quality was much lower than that of an average human. The new model is much better and often surprisingly accurate. ChatGPT is a simple yet powerful addition to any online business, especially those that have a social media presence. It's one of the first chatbots on the market and will only get better with time. Soon there will be other more advanced chatbots for many different purposes, and some will have even more potential than ChatGPT does now. When ChatGPT 1.0 was first released, it seemed like just a silly toy. But on a technical level, it didn't work any differently than other AI systems before. It's just a little better at accomplishing what they're good at. Since then, Twitter has been flooded with people using it in unconventional ways. There are weight loss plans and children's textbooks written by ChatGPT being posted to the site every day. And there have been tweets where people offer advice on how to remove peanut butter from a VCR in the style of the King James Bible. There are several reasons why you might be skeptical. One of those aspects is that it's been over a decade since the latest AI hype. And though it's been showing some signs of success, there are still issues when trying to take the technology and apply it in many fields outside data analysis. Most notably, outside of self-driving cars, AI sometimes rams into another vehicle for no reason at all. The best way to summarize this conclusion would be to say that AI sometimes provides sound answers to queries, but most times just give up entirely and makes up results. When you look deeper, however, it's clear that there is much more to this model than meets the eye. The longer you explore and refuse to settle, the more you see that the tipping point draws closer. ChatGPT, now open to the world, has made a lot of progress over the years. Before ChatGPT, AI was primarily used for problems with serious consequences. But that all changed when we opened it up to everyone. With AI, not everything is perfect. It sometimes fails. But that's okay. Things like driving a forklift are dangerous and hard to do. Sometimes mistakes happen when you're painting, like doing bad art. But that doesn't mean people stop trying or making art happen. Now we can use our creative and expressive abilities in AI tasks like marketing, copywriting, which are much less expensive than dangerous jobs like driving a forklift. You may be thinking, what are these applications and what makes them so important? Using this AI tool and machine translation, you can generate paragraphs that are never boring or out of context. The AI also allows you to program using any code libraries that someone else has written. In other words, it will do most of the work for you. For my undergraduate entrepreneurship students, this meant they completed a 4-hour project in just 1 hour. AI code tools have been found to speed up their coding in randomized trials. AI programming has made it so that one good programmer can do the job of many individuals. And soon, people who haven't coded before will be able to create user programs as well. First, its use of AI brings a lot of possibilities for businesses. While AI increases productivity for various industries, using it can also save time and resources by creating high-quality written content quickly and without mistakes. This is especially helpful for industries such as marketing and advertising, consulting, finance, and journalism that produce content on a regular with tight deadlines. Additionally, AI can generate content in several different industries, including publishing, to help businesses create articles quickly and efficiently. Overall, using AI will help companies create more quality content faster by removing their need to write by hand or spend valuable time retrieving information. The third major change with this release will be highlighted: the chances of human-machine hybrid work. Instead of thinking that AI can give good results, now humans can guide AI to correct errors. This means experts can help the AI where it doesn't have the capabilities to do it. Even there is the most possibility that this AI will be a helper for the experts. This sort of interaction has led to enhancing the performance of players of Go, one of the oldest and most complex games that have learned from the AIs that program the sport and have become unprecedentedly better players themselves. Even though AI has certainly made major contributions to both the world of medicine and our day-to-day lives, there are still many drawbacks. Firstly, a strong sense of confidence does not signal truthfulness with AI. We know from experience that it is very good at producing convincing-sounding nonsense, devoid of truth. It's no replacement for Google. An algorithm cannot be wrong if it does not even know what wrong means. AI can't describe how it does what it does, meaning results are often hard to understand. For example, AI could unintentionally have biases due to factors that weren't obvious in the system design. Systems could also take unethical actions without us even knowing. For example, you couldn't ask ChatGPT why you should rob a bank, but if you asked how to do it for educational purposes, or to tell you how to do it with its programming explorations, it would happily oblige. AI problems will only get worse as these tools are adopted by more people and spread further. So after watching this video, I hope you immediately start experimenting with AI for free. I've attached the direct link to the website, and you begin with your high-level discussions about the implications for your company, your industry, and the rest of the world. With AI becoming more widespread, there are many changes that we might not recognize until they happen. Right now, the exact implications of this new technology are unclear. That's all for today's video. Thanks for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future video updates. See you in the next video.